Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft account sign in loop on Windows 11 step by step. First, try switching to a local account. This is usually the most effective fix. Open Settings, then go to Accounts and click on your info. Here, select Sign in with a local account instead. Follow the steps to create a username and password. Once done, restart your computer and check if the issue is gone. Next, clear cached credentials. Search for Credential Manager in the Start menu and open it. Go to Windows Credentials, then look for your Microsoft account in the list. Select it and click Remove. This will clear any corrupted saved login data that might be causing the loop. If the problem continues, remove the account from your system. Go to Settings, then Accounts, and open Email and Accounts. Find the account causing the issue, click on it, and choose Remove. Then restart your PC. Finally, you can repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scano, then press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This will fix any corrupted files that might be causing the login loop. After trying these methods, your system should stop looping on sign-in and work normally again. Thanks for watching.